case you're wondering, TikTok, we made it. 24 hours, got here at 11 a.m. Got unloaded. One box. She's all done. Easy money. Easy money. We're off to the next one. There's the wife. She's got the paperwork signed, filled out. It's on TikTok, easy money. That's what we do, right?
Yep, that's what we do. Let's get in before we leave.
All right, baby. You guys be safe. We're off to, we're going to New Hampshire. New Hampshire. Trying to make up some money for what we lost already. Take care, God bless.